Yo, you're faster than me. I can't go any faster. I'm sliding. Okay, I'll try and stay ahead of you. Let's see if you can catch me, all right? Shit, you got me. You got me. Oh, I'm dizzy. The whole time I was looking through the screen. All right. Yeah, I can't see shit right now. All right. Let's get to working on the car. So first of all,
yeah, address what we broke.
we didn't break anything. I think the engine was hung up on these engine mount studs here. And I think that coolant you saw flinging out was just, I think it was just coolant that was
still leaking or connected.
Yeah, I think it just flung out of the engine or one of these hoses that already had off. Like there's coolant. This is a heater hose that goes into your interior. This is full of coolant. So like maybe it flung. We were hung up here. This is where the transmission, the bell housing was stuck right here. There's nothing for me to crush here. There's nothing. Here's your heater hose, and there's no split or tears or anything in the heater hose. So we were kind of lifting the car. It just got hung up on this stud, but it came off. And also we found the thing that you dropped that we had to look for in the dark. It was just something for the starter. It was like a little washer. But anyways, so first things first,
move the head.
This head is going to come off. So just so you know where the head starts, this up is your head. And there's studs that go down that bolt into the block. So we have to take these valve covers off. We have to take the timing belts off. You can loosen the idler. We've got to take this pulley off. We'll undo all the studs. We'll take the brand new head gasket I have on it off. Make sure we keep that nice and flat. And then our block will be exposed. And we'll start.
We can really get into it.
Yeah. First thing, we'll take off the pulley. So you get a pulley puller. Sounds funny when you say it like that.
Yeah.
So you put this right in the dimple.
Okay.
Okay, can you get that bottom one caught? Let me get this a little snug. What size do you think that is there?
An 8.
An 8? No,
10.
my God.
10.
Wow.
What is that?
You're so cold right now.
It's 14.
No.
16.
17.
Damn.
All right, so we're going to tighten this in slowly. See how it's pulling it off? That's it.
That's pretty cool.
That off. There we go. These are just like random tools that you should totally just buy off of Amazon right now. If you're working on cars, you need these things.
Wow, you can tell you were stripping some of these.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to take the hook off to get that one off.
Okay.
And then on the other side too. Did you see the one comment where the person was like, rule number 1, never let your girl work on it or something like that. She's guaranteed to break it. I'm not breaking shit.
Well, that's just based off of that reel. If they watched the video, they'd see that we were all in on it together.
Of course, I'm the problem. Oh man, I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't either.
But I can say that I have yet to break anything. Where are we going to put them?
On the table. We're going to take the head off now. We have to undo all the head studs.
All of these?
No. Those are to hold down the camshaft. But we don't have to touch those. Right in there.
Those big ones?
Nope, right in here.
Oh.
Some of the studs wanted to come out, so we'll have to take the nut off that stud and then put the stud back in. It's just a pain in the dick, but hey, it's all good. Yeah, the factory bolts, well, they were just that. They were bolts. So you take them out. These are studs that you put in, and then you put a nut over it, and it's weird. So you're gonna grab it and wiggle it while this is coming up. Right there. Let's wheel this out of the way. All right, and we need to put this guy somewhere safe. Okay, so this cylinder right here is the one that had 60 psi.
Oh, there's a dead spider in this one.
It's a dead spider? Yeah. Inside the cylinder, wow.
What if that was it?
That was the spider.
If
we remove the spider, we'll be good. But we got the head off. What size is that on the side of your socket? What does that say?
3/18.
3/16. All right, so
we gotta rotate it.
We gotta flip the engine now, and we're gonna take that oil pan off the bottom. You can do the honors of spinning it. Start spinning it that way.
How much? Like completely upside down?
Oh yeah. There she goes. Can you tell me what size that is?
8.
It's not an 8. You like that number. It's a 10.
It says 7.
I don't know what that's for. All right, so
Not yet.
you gotta do this by hand first, right? And once you make it loose, then you can press the trigger. All right? Don't take them all the way out because I'm gonna get you a bag. Okay.
Oh, they're tiny.
I had a really good magnet. I forget what it went.
Oh, there's one on the table.
There. I don't gotta be your bag bitch anymore. I don't gotta hold your bag for your bolts.
You know what?
Now I can sit back and relax and watch you. I can't wait for that magnet to let go so they all fall on the ground. This thing's dripping oil everywhere. And this thing's a mess. Got a flathead screwdriver. Pop this puppy off. Here we go. You can pick it up now. Ready? There we go. It's gonna be full of oil on the inside.
Dang.
Yeah. That's pretty crazy.
That's
right?
actually pretty cool looking.
Mm.
That's the inside of, what is this? So when you put oil into your car, it goes into this spot?
Yeah. It's the oil, this is the oil pan.
That's pretty cool.
Fucking awesome. I want to be able to spin the engine for you so you can see it. There's your crank.
Cool.
All right. Actually, what you're looking at right here, right in there, that's the back side of the piston. So see the way it changes? Now watch. We're going to spin this engine up. I've never seen this in person either.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
So you can see there's always 2 pistons firing at the same time. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
That is really cool.
So we got to take the girdle off, this big cat. So all of these got to come off. Hold on, we're not animals. Let me get the gun.
There's a nut on the floor.
A lump?
Nut.
There's a nut on the floor. We probably need that.
Yeah, why'd you put it on the floor?
I didn't put it on the floor on purpose.
Look at this.
Is it oily? So this one, you're gonna do the reverse sequence again, right? So when you put this on, it gets tightened from the center and it gets tightened out. We're gonna loosen, 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 loosen.
Yeah.
We gotta work our way in. Beautiful.
Oh, they're different sizes.
Different lengths?
Yeah.
Fuck.
So, okay, how about
We need
pause.
cardboard.
Get a piece of paper and we're gonna draw this out real quick, and then we lay out on top of the picture which one each goes, or which one each bolt goes to.
How much is the shirt?
Just lay them out in the proper spots.
Okay, so how many do you have?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I don't know how to count. Is that supposed to be a 3?
The shirt's sliding. There you go, look at that.
No, but now it's not facing the right way.
No, it is.
Unless you want these to be 1 and 2.
That's 1 and 2, so this is 2. This one's 14. Look at that. Genius. Can you show that? Like, when we see this, like, that's genius.
Let's not forget that I came up with the idea.
Come on, let's go.
And I've been waiting for you.
Right? So the girdle has been ungirdled. Is it?
Oh, there you go.
That's pretty heavy. There's the girdle. That's heavy, right?
That is heavy.
Just.
So you're gonna try to pop them up?
Nah. I'm gonna pop them out that way, just right out the side.
Okay.
Yep. Right. So I'm gonna just use this because it's rubber, and I'm gonna tap it with this on the outside. How's that up there?
Okay. Yep.
Put your hand on it.
Yep. Cool. Got one. What is this part called?
I think it's a rod bearing. That's your rod, and that's your piston. There's your piston rings. These are the things I think might be worn. We're gonna place all those.
Wow, got it.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Okay. All right, give me a spin. Give me like a quarter spin, all right?
I can see it from my side.
There. Yeah, so this is the problem one. It had very low compression. I don't know, it could just be tired rings of me. Yeah, so let's replace piston rings, clean it up real good, give it a rundown, put it back together, and do a leak down test on it. If it doesn't work, then we'll take it back apart. It's not a big deal. Just by replacing the piston rings, I'm curious what will happen.
And this is what it looks like, empty.
That is a block, just a bare block. We got to clean these out really good and shine a light in there to make sure that the cylinder walls are okay. Maybe your hands could get in here a little better.
Maybe my what?
Your hands could fit in here a little better. All the way down in there. Let me rag. So the scratches that we don't want to see are vertical.
Okay.
Scratches that are okay are horizontal. That's a weird spot.
Yeah.
And it's like not something that we just did. That's like that. Like I can't. It's weird.
That might be our problem.
Well, yeah, we know it's a problem cylinder. I just know what's causing that mark. So you can see like there's actually like some vertical scratching here.
Mm-hmm.
And again, you can't feel any of this stuff.
So you're not supposed to have any of that at all?
I don't know. It's just marks. It's not like a deep scratch. We're gonna hone all of this. It's like a mirror finish though. It's very shiny. What's that? Almost. See that right there?
Yeah, right there.
I'm trying to get to focus. It's just weird. Gonna hone this. New piston rings. Put it back together. We'll do a leak down test on the engine stand to make sure what we did fixes it. So we gotta order the piston rings. We can look up how to take those piston rings off.
In the meantime,
I have the tool to put new ones on. I don't know how to put them on, so we'll have to look that up as well. If those piston rings that we get go in there, go in here, we put it all back together, the leak down test works, this thing's going back in there,
right
and
away?
that key is getting turned. Yes, right away. It won't be right away though.
Yeah.
It's been 5 weeks since we started this, which high five, by the way, for being so consistent.
Yeah.
But it's been 5 weeks since we started this project. Another 5 weeks go by, I don't know where we're gonna be. You know, I think piston rings off and new ones on, I think that's a heavy ask to be for next week.
Yeah.
You know, I'll order the piston rings tonight, but I don't know when they'll get here. We still have to learn how to take them off and put them on.
True.
I'm gonna, like, the more I stand here, the more I'm in like a send it attitude. Because worst case, we just pull the engine again. Like,
which we know how to do.
we've done it already.
Easy peasy.
Yeah. If the goal is to get it on the road, to not sink a ton of money into it, hey man, I think this is the plan.
Dude, that'd be so sick if it just works.
I want this thing on the road
Buy cars and coffee.
by, what is that, April? So, yeah. I think this is where we end this episode.